Lego Xbox, PlayStation and Wii. First I'll be showing you how to make the Wii. First you need one of these grey pieces, one of these, a white stud and two of these. First you take the grey piece and put it under there. Then you take the stud and put it on there like that. Then you take that smooth piece and put it on the stud like that, with facing the other way, like that. Then you put the other piece on like that. There, and that's your Lego Wii. For the PlayStation, this anything, this has to be something with the hole in. First you take that, and then you put that in like that. Then you take that piece and put it like that. And then you take this piece and put the stud on it like that. That piece. And then you take this piece and put it on. And for this piece, you put it on there so you can stick it onto thing. Now for the Xbox, you'll need one of these like the bunny thing, one of these, a black stud, and one of these. First you take this and this, then you put it on. Then you take this, you put it on, and then you take this, you put it on like that, so it's like that. Sorry. And then you take the black stud and put it at the bottom. There's your little Xbox and Wii. And now, just to skip ahead, I'll be showing you how to make a custom-made Boba Fett. So your two pieces. First, you'll need a green head, green pants, body like this you can get from that thing, you can't really see it, from Star Wars thing. This helmet comes with the body, jetpacks and a gun. First you take the jetpacks, put it on the body. Then you turn the face the other way like that. Then you put the helmet on. You can see. Then you put the pants on. And then you put the gun like that. Boom, 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 boom. There's your Lego Boba Fett. Bye! Thanks for your time.